Hi friends, have you ever wondered how your team can perform at their optimal peak levels? How can your teams deliver the results even in your absence? Have you ever come across the concept called as team empowerment? Do you want to know what exactly it is? We'll see that in this video. So first of all, let's understand why do we need team empowerment and what actually empowerment means. Let's get straight to it. We work in a knowledge industry where knowledge is paramount here. Here, the team members have more knowledge about the technology, about the product, about how it works, more than what a manager or a leader does. In other industries where the manager had more knowledge, he used to guide people, he used to direct them and tell them what was to be done. It was a it was a centralized planning, a centralized decision making model, and mostly we used to call it as a command and control way of working. Yeah, and it was right up to much extent because the decision making, the planning, the main brain work used to happen where the knowledge was. But in knowledge industry, things are different. Knowledge industry demands decentralized way of working. Team members here are themselves most qualified to make decisions about how to perform their work, and that is where they need autonomy. They are the ones who execute the strategy of the company day in day out. They are the ones who works on the product directly. If you empower them, they will surprise you with the results. And that is why team empowerment is a necessity in the knowledge industry. Okay, now that we have understood why team empowerment is needed, let's see what exactly is team empowerment. Yeah, so if you ask me what team empowerment according to me is, letting even the junior most team member to participate in the estimations, allowing each and every team member to do the planning, having the business people work directly with your team members without any layers in between, empowering the team members to take the day to day decisions, and letting them decide what they want to work on, how they want to work on. Finally, it's important for them to have the ownership and the responsibility of the work, and you as a leader be there to support them, to remove any impediments which comes in their way. So how will it help? So this will enable more collaboration among the team members. This will help in faster problem resolution. This will reduce the time and wastage that goes in approvals and permission type of models. Yeah. And it unlocks the intrinsic motivation of the team members. You take any agile methodology, whether it is Scrum, whether it is Kanban, Crystal, XP, all of the processes and guidelines are designed in a way that teams are empowered. So why does team empowerment motivates people? See, here we will be talking a little bit of philosophy. Intrinsic motivation of team members is unlocked by three important factors. The first one is autonomy. What is autonomy? It's the desire to be self-directed and have control over what they work on and how do they want to work on. The first is autonomy, which is the desire to be self-directed and have control over what they work on. Yeah, how they work on and with whom they want to work with. The second is the mastery, which is the urge to get better at what they do and improve their personal and team skills. And the third is the purpose, which is the desire to do something that matters and has meaning. Combined, all these three factors is something which motivates people, and when people are motivated, they are empowered to do more than what they are assigned. In this video, we saw what is team empowerment, why is team empowerment so important, especially in the knowledge industry, and thirdly, how and why the team empowerment unlocks the intrinsic motivation of team members. In the next video, whose link will be available at the end of this video, we'll see how leadership can enable the team empowerment, what are the key aspects for achieving the team empowerment, and how you can practically empower your team. Friends, if you found this video useful and would like me to make videos on any other topic, please mention in the comment section and we'll try to make a video on it in the shortest possible time. My mission is to make life easy for all the working professionals, giving them practical, ready to use tips and explaining difficult topics in a simple and easy to understand way. For the same, I would ask you to like the video so that YouTube algorithm knows that you found something valuable. Share it with your friends who will find them interesting, and most importantly, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get fresh insight and perspective about each important topic without fail. You learned something important today. I wish you all the best. Keep learning and keep progressing. See you in the next.